Hello students, today we are going to learn one poem 2.5 The Silver House. The Silver House. This poem is about moon. Poet is imagining that man is living inside the moon. So let's see the poem. There is a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down. Now the poet is John Lee. Poet describes the moon as a silver house in the beautiful sky. It is as round as silver coin. Here crown means silver coin. Okay, and why it is said that it takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down? Because we know that the moon keeps on changing its shape. Means it go on changing its shape after 2 weeks. There is a man who lives in the silver house in a lonely sort of way, but what his name is no one knows or no one likes to say. Now poet imagines that there is a man who lives in this silver house and he looks lonely and nobody knows about him. No one knows his name or likes to say what it is. Yet when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon this lonely man to find. Window blind means what? Means the protective covering of window. If here his house is taken down, means if poet is saying that if you want to see lonely man, what you will do? You open the window shade when you go to the bed at night. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed, because of course the poor man won't be there. Now if his house is taken down, means if there is no moon in the sky and the sky is bare, then poet tells you to go to bed to sleep, because the poor man won't be there. Okay students, this poem is written by John Lee. Hope you understood this poem.